If you're trying to verify your Instagram account on Whop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process so you can connect your Instagram profile, generate your unique verification code, and complete the verification without any confusion. This is a quick but important setup if you want to link your social account properly inside Whop, and I'm going to make it as simple as possible. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe because it really helps the channel, and I'll keep making more clear step-by-step guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to whop.com, then log into your Whop account. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From there, you will see your account options, and next to your username, there should be a gear icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your settings. This is where you'll manage your connected accounts and link the profiles you want Whop to verify. Inside the settings menu, find and select connected accounts. This section is specifically for linking external accounts like Instagram, and it's where the verification process begins. Once you're on the connected accounts page, look for Instagram and click add next to it. This tells Whop that you want to connect and verify an Instagram account with your profile. After that, Whop will ask you to paste your full Instagram profile URL into the field. Make sure you copy the complete profile link, not just your username. For example, you want the full URL format so Whop can correctly identify the account you're trying to verify. Once you paste it in, Whop will generate a unique 6-digit verification code for you. This code is what proves that you own or control the Instagram profile. Now open Instagram in a new tab or on your phone and go to Edit Profile. In your Instagram bio section, paste the verification code directly into your public bio. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown without changing any numbers because the code needs to match what Whop generated. After you paste the code into your bio, save the changes on Instagram. At this point, your Instagram profile is publicly displaying the code, which allows Whop to confirm that the account belongs to you. Now go back to Whop and click Verify. Whop will check your Instagram bio, detect the code, and complete the linking process if everything matches correctly. In many cases, this verification happens very quickly, so you should see the connection update almost immediately. And here's a helpful tip. Once your Instagram account is linked and verified, you can safely delete the code from your Instagram bio if you want to keep your profile clean. The verification should remain linked after that, so you don't need to keep the code visible forever. That's it. Your Instagram account is now verified on Whop. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to connect other accounts on Whop step by step.